Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, we will see how to write a Python program to add all elements in the list and sum is to be appended in the last of the list. For example, if we have a list x equal to 14, 34, 56 and after adding all the elements like 14 plus 34 plus 56, we need to append that sum in the last of the list. So y equal to 14 comma 34 comma 56 comma sum. We need to append sum at the last of the list like this. So let's get started. First we will write the program and later on we will discuss the program. While writing the program, we need to be careful while giving indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on file, click on save as. Now you can give any file name, like I am giving sumlist.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name .py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved and also we got Python file here. Now we need to execute this Python program by using command prompt. So click here to open command prompt and type cmd, enter. Now we got command prompt. Now we need to give path. So cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, enter. Now sumlist.py, this is the file we just saved. Now enter. Now we got the output. Copy this output and paste here. This is the output. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to assign a list of elements 11, 5, 17, 18 to variable x. And after that, this is the variable total. We are assigning initial value as 0. After that, 5 for I in range of length of x. Here length of x means length of the list. How many elements it has? It has 4 elements. So length of x means 4. For I in range of 4, it will enter the loop. Total equal to total plus x of I. Here x of I means it is taking the value at that index. Index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. After that, it will append the total value to the list x. After adding all the elements, it will append the total value at the last of that list. After appending the total value, then we are printing x. So we are getting the output like this. After adding 11, 5, 17, 18, it is appending the sum at the last of the list like this. This is the code and this is the program. I hope everyone clear with this the code and output. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.